Are you dreaming of the perfect robot mop combo? Well, Dreame might have made that come true, though it comes at a cost. Introducing the Dreame X40 Ultra, the latest robot mop combo from Dreame. We tested the X40 Ultra to see just how well it compared to the other high-end robots we've tested to date. Let's discuss what the X40 Ultra does best. First, it has one of the most impressive obstacle avoidance performances we've seen to date. It had a perfect score with 0 touches, and it even used its new extending side brush for precision cleaning around the objects. Second, the debris collection on hard floor surfaces was perfect. During the hard floor test and crevice test, the X40 collected 100% of the debris on the testing surface. And finally, its user-friendly interface, quick setup, and new cleaning features make this robot a fierce competitor in the robot mop combo market. Unfortunately, there is a major consideration to think about before purchasing the X40. It is one of the highest priced robot vacuums currently on the market. Also, we noticed during testing it struggled to collect some of the larger debris on the first pass. However, in most cases, it was able to collect the debris on follow-up passes. At Modern Castle, we test 14 different factors that impact the performance, build quality, and usability of the vacuum. Below is a complete list of our testing categories and their performance. This video is sponsored by Nap Lab. Nap Lab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube. Across all cleaning tests, the Dreame X40 Ultra had fantastic performance. While it wasn't perfect on-carpet tests, it still had excellent performance. In our debris test, the X40 was able to remove 97.2% of debris by weight. This is 4.7% more debris than the average of 92.5% based on all of our debris tests to date. It has the best performance of hardwood flooring and crevice tests, cleaning up all the debris. During the long hair and pet hair tests, the X40 had good performance with no major tangling around the roller. The X40 had a small amount of hair tangled on the side of the roller brush, but the rest was in the vicinity of the roller. It most likely would have made its way into the onboard collection bin eventually, same with the pet hair test. The X40 had great performance on the edge tests, but it wasn't perfect. The issue we saw, and see with some other robot vacuums, is the side brush pushing the debris across the testing surface. This was the case with the X40. It collected 98% of the debris, but the remaining was slightly pushed away. Additionally, the mopping feature has excellent performance. Its Clean Genius software helps detect stains and focus on high traffic areas for mopping. Its adjustable mopping pads can raise, lower, and swing out to help get closer and around objects. In terms of navigation, the X40 Ultra had a perfect performance. To navigate, the robot uses LiDAR, an RGB camera, edge sensors, and software called Clean Genius to optimize its cleaning cycle. Here's where the X40 really stood out. It didn't hit a single thing during the obstacle avoidance test. It got close to the objects, uses extending brush to clean around them, and then continue cleaning. The app connectivity also gives the user some customizable navigation features, but we'll talk about that in just a minute. Across the board, the build quality is excellent for the X40. Our first impression of the X40 is the build quality is fantastic. The plastic body has a matte black finish with what feels like quite thick paneling. As we tested and moved the robot around the office, it felt sturdy. The base station had a similar feel with its low center of gravity base station and thick plastic. It looks and feels like a top-of-the-line robot mop combo. The Dreame X40 is an impressive robot with user-friendly features and customizable settings that will make cleaning your flooring worry-free. The total time to set up was no more than 10 minutes. We noticed there was an abundance of packaging and protective cardboard, so be ready to break down some boxes. Most app-connected robots give you the standard set of adjustment features to help customize your robot cleaning experience. In our opinion, the X40 takes it to the next level. What I mean by this is that Dreame has an extra level of customization. First, you can control how long you want the robot to dry on the dock. In addition, the app allows you to adjust the side brush swing length. There are a number of other settings and customizations that you can do to better tailor the robot to your exact preferences and needs. The X40 Ultra has an estimated yearly maintenance cost of $20. The table on screen shows the maintenance tasks and their estimated annual costs. Since the X40 has exceptional maintenance and self-cleaning capabilities, your yearly costs are low. With the X40 Ultra docking station, maintenance is something that you'll rarely have to perform. The clean and dirty water tanks manage the water supply, the dock automatically manages debris, and the mop pad servicing features help keep the pads clean and bacteria-free. The mopping pads, rollers, side brushes, etc. are all replaced as needed. You can find a replacement pack online for between $20 and $40. In our noise test, the X40 Ultra generated 69.7 decibels of noise in the max power mode. This is 0.9 decibels higher than the average 68.80 decibels based on all of our noise tests to date. While testing the different noise levels, we did notice that between the standard, turbo, and max, there was not a significant noise change that we could measure. It was only when operating the vacuum on quiet or max plus mode that we noticed a significant change in the decibel measurements between those settings. With the advancement and rapid development of robot cleaning technology, Dreame has given us the X40 Ultra as a formidable challenger to Roborock, Ecovacs, Narwhal, and many others. It sets a high bar in both performance and price. Holistically, it's a fantastic robot vacuum that can meet all of your cleaning demands. While it did leave a small amount of debris behind on some tests, it made up for it in user functionality, navigation, build quality, hard surface cleaning, worry-free maintenance, and just being a fantastic robot overall. So the final question, is it worth the high price? It is arguably the best robot vacuum on the market, but it's also among the most expensive. If you want the best of the best with bleeding edge tech, this is it. Just be prepared to cry once you see it hit your bank statement. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. For comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the X40 Ultra, we've got a link in the description. Be sure to visit us over at Modern Castle, hit that bell, do the other stuff. As always, thanks so much for watching.
Do the other stuff.
I don't care.